Welcome to T3 Live's Friday Market Wrap-Up. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Options Strategist. And, wow, another wild day on Wall Street. This afternoon, Dow is essentially flat, recovered a lot of its losses. Was positive for a while there. The SPUs, though, have been trying to get off the mat all day. We're down here at 1921, folks. That's pretty crazy. Dow's seen about a 2,000-point swing here over the past couple weeks. But here's what's really cool is take a look at this. On a day like today, with volatility over the place, the VIX at the highest levels in 2 years, over 20s. Let's see where we got on the VIX. Looked at it a little while ago. Yeah, we had a spike there. That might have been a fat finger, but still above, 20. We're seeing about 20 and a half. I mean, that's just it's pretty crazy. But check this out. On a day like today, this is what your portfolio should look like. A bright green, a light green, some pinks, and some reds. Here is our bright green in the primary live trade brief model portfolio. This is a bullish double vertical that I placed as a hedge. You can see this out to October 31st. I told my traders, hey, October is one of the most volatile months in the year. It's about to get a little crazy. Cats and dogs living together, Ebola, you name it. Let's get a bilge pump on. Over $4,000 in this trade and profit, 343% return, 344% return on this trade. So these are bilge pumps, folks. These are hedges. In this type of crazy market, you cannot be flying around without an ejection seat. So we got a nice couple ejection seats in our model portfolios. I got to tell you, this is going to get a hell of a lot worse. General Kelly, was it General Kelly? Four-star Marine general yesterday in charge of essentially Latin Africa and that strategic theater, said that he believes that Ebola is going to be weaponized, that it can be walking across the border as we're speaking. Pretty interesting that the news media really failed or is ignoring this. I'm telling you, folks, this is bad, and it's only going to get worse. If you saw in the news yesterday, some guy joked about Ebola on an airplane. Google this and take a look at the clip of all these government agents in huge hazmat suits walking on an airliner. This is our future, folks. So get your AR-15s and water ready to go here, because this is going to get bad. Like I said, the VIX is popped up here, but I'd be looking to get short vol here. I don't think this is the big one. I don't think this is the end of the world yet. It's coming. Once we start interest rates rising, we're going to see the end of the world. Nothing really on the macroeconomic data front today in the U.S. markets. We had a Fed head speak, some import prices. That was about it. And we have a Fed head speaking this afternoon. G20 is meeting right now. Maybe we'll see some headlines out of that. I really don't. Yeah, whatever. But Fisher, well, there you go. Fisher speaking right now. All told, our economy is on the mend 3 minutes ago. Let's take a look at that real quick. I'll read this later, but not much inflation. Duh. U.S. not experiencing significant inflationary pressure. Okay, I could have told you that. U.S. growth will accelerate in the next 6 months. Sold. Folks, as you guys know, I'm also a strategic consultant to Fortune 500 companies. I was out in Vegas last week giving a keynote speech to the aerospace, space, and defense industries. Was in San Diego working with one of the top 3 audit firms in the world. Next week, I'll be in Chicago working with a high-tech company, one of the largest in the United States. I'm telling you, I see behind closed doors. I work with the C-level executives. I send them a 25-page questionnaire about their business so I can prepare to work with them. And it's not good out here, folks. These Fed heads are kind of like the U.S. government right now with Ebola. Relax, nothing to worry about. And behind closed doors, they're going, holy crap, this is bad. So, make sure you get your hedges on. I just sent an alert out to my traders to close this trade, this STS bullish double vertical. I'll take the $4,000 in profit, 344% gain, 7 days a week and twice on Sunday. If I need to next week, Tuesday morning at 0900 in our primary live trade brief, I'll reestablish a new hedge. But I think we're a little oversold at this point, and I think next week we're kind of due for a relief rally, so to speak. Okay, got to run. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back with Monday's market outlook here on T3Live.com. We'll see you.